everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make product design in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Canva or log into your Canva. Go to create design and then tap customize size. So here what you're going to do is to follow the size. You can type 1420 and then for height, you can type here 720. And then after that, you can now start creating your product design. So create new design. And this is what it looks like. This is the interface of Canva. Now go to elements and then look for something like if you are selling apple drinks or apple juice or something like that, or any drinks that has apple flavor. And then look for a specific fruit or object that you want to search here. Okay, so now we have Apple and then add another page. And then for the second page, you have to look for shapes. So we can use this shape right here, a circle type. And you just have to resize this. You just have to follow the size that I'm going to show you right now. So first page is the apple. And the second page we have here is the circle shape. Now you have to turn this color into green, the first one, but according to whatever color you want. Okay, so let's just see for the first color, I have here red, and then duplicate, resize, or a smaller version. And then you can change the color to whatever you like. But for me, I want to change it into this one. So we have three circles here. The first one is red, the second one is green, the third one is, let's just say, you can change this to gray, or you can change this to black or blue. Everything is up to you, but you can simply add different types of colors here. So this one is what will appear on your product design. So I have here a total of like five circles, I guess, with different colors, and then turn the background into black. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to group this. So drag or select all, right click, and then group this one. You can now move this up, I mean the circle, but turn this first page into black background too. So move it right here, make sure it's in the center, right click, and then layer, and then send backward. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we are going to reshape, or let's just say resize the apple here like this, but actually everything is up to you. But if you want to follow this, it's very, very fine. Okay, so this one, and then we can add another shape right here. For example, this one. And then turn this, or you can change the color. So you can add a circle shape or triangle shape, or just simple as like a line here. So everything is up to you, and then you can change the color from white to like red or green, and you can put it anywhere inside the circle, something like that. Okay, so you just have to follow this if you want. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to add something here like a text. So go to text, add a heading, and then you just have to follow this one. For example, the name of my product is a fresh drink, something like that. You can change the font style. You can add some effects. You can change the color. Everything is up to you. You can change this later if you want. If you think that it's not good enough, then you can change and then add a heading again and then change the font style. Everything is up to you. Okay, so I have added here SH. So I think it would be better if I capitalize this FRE, and then the SH is a small, or small words, something like that. I think it would be better. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I just have to move it here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the result, but you can do much better than this. Okay, change the color, something like that. And then we're going to add another word again. For example, a drink. So you go to text and then add something like drink, and then you can change the color if you want. Okay, so this is how you create or add some words here. You just have to go to text, add heading, and then add something. So let me move this up, move this one down, and then add something here like drink. Okay, then change everything like the font style or font size or the color. Same thing with the first one. Okay, so that's it. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to add an Apple icon. So I'm going to search for Apple icon here or object here and then put it right here. Okay, so this is the example. And you can add more if you want to. For example, we're going to add 250 ml, something like that. Or you can add more information about your product. You can add it right here. But for me, this time I just have to add this 250 ml and then move it down here. Okay, and then delete this unnecessary word here. Okay. But everything is up to you. If you want grape flavor, then better you choose for like violet color, something like that. But for me, this one is for apple flavored juice or apple flavored drink. And then I choose this design. Now, once you're okay, then all you have to do is, of course, go to share and then download. Now, go to Smart Markups, open a new tab, then go to Smart Markups. Here, you can design whatever you want. This is a website where you can try or make a preview on the outcome of your product. So, this time we're going to look for beverage, okay, because we're going to sell a drink product. So this one, let's try this one. So let's just say that I will sell this canned product, canned juice products. So this is what it looks like. Let me save this one first. Come back here, go to upload, okay, and then upload the design that we have created in Canva. Upload image. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then you can customize that. Okay, so customize the color, customize everything. Go to customize to change the color. Okay, everything is up to you, but actually this is the result. So yeah, you can change this. Go back to Canva and change something if you want. But this is how you create your product, and it's very simple. Everything is free. All you have to do is to create your Canva account. And I know you can do better than this. So you can now save this or download this. But this is how to make product design in Canva. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.